AI designed the perfect beef burger. No chef, no kitchen, no reality. Everything you're about to see was created by artificial intelligence. Watch closely. These visuals are not real. The food is not real. Even this voice is not real. AI generated the recipe. AI generated the cooking. AI generated the final burger. This is what happens when the technology tries to outcook reality. Here's what the AI thinks perfection looks like: 80-20 beef for the perfect fat balance, butter for basting, a brioche bun for sweetness, melted American cheese for texture, no toppings, no lettuce, no tomato, no distractions, just beef, cheese, butter, bun, pure confidence. Step 1. The patty hits the grill. You can almost hear it. Even though none of this is real, the butter melts, the edges crisp, steam rises for drama. It's like a fast food commercial that never needed a kitchen. Then the cheese. Artificial intelligence knows this moment matters. Slow melt, perfect drip, zero mistakes. It looks like something a real chef would brag about, but it was made with text and math. Butter on brioche, golden and glossy. A sauce that feels engineered for addiction. It's almost unsettling how good AI is at this. No camera, no stove, no human hands, just prompts, pixels, and imagination. The burger comes together layer by layer like a commercial storyboard. Cheese, beef, bun, butter glaze. If reality looked like this, every restaurant would be full. But there's a problem. AI thinks this is perfect. I don't. It needs sauce, it needs personality. So here's the upgrade: creamy, smoky, garlicky, balanced. This is where the human touch would matter if a human actually cooked this. And there it is, the perfect burger. That never existed. No kitchen, no chef, no stove, just artificial intelligence pretending to be real. If this is what AI can do now, imagine what it will cook tomorrow. Should AI design a shrimp burger next? Type shrimp in the comments. Subscribe if you want to see AI cook again. This is AI Chef Secrets, and we're just getting started.